What it do? YouTube/Patreon. Today's video, I want to talk about Satan needs souls to stay afloat. Satan needs souls to stay afloat. So I'm gonna make this video, short, simple, just give you a little zinger, something to think about. So we in the tribulation, we in the revelations, we in the end times, right? We clearly know this. You know what I'm saying? You can clearly see it. Or, if you're one of those demonic entities that worship Satan, of course you don't want to see it. See what I'm saying? But Yah, some people like to say Jesus or whatever the case may be, Yah, Yahweh, Yeshua, whatever names you want to go by, right? Same entity, different names. Well, not the same entity as Jesus entity, not the same as Yahweh. So let's just get that clear. So I had to catch myself on that one. So right now, right, you got a lot of people who have made blood oaths and they have made sacrifices in the past, and now these demons, right? And this is, a lot of people in the music industry, I say a lot because not everybody in the music industry is with that shit. You know what I'm saying? That's why you got those one-hit wonders. They might have a couple of hits or even just that one major hit, then they just disappear. It's not like they can't make another hit. They just found out what they had to do and they're like, I ain't with that shit. So that's why I won't ever say 100% of the music industry or 100% of Hollywood, because you know what I'm saying, like that one bad apple spoils the whole bunch for everybody. So that one satanic demon or that one satanic cult, even though it's many of them, they make the whole Hollywood look bad. Just like you got these occults that's in they in everyday life as well. Basically what I mean is these satanic cults exist in your neighborhoods as well, whether you're in the music industry or not. You see what I'm saying? Whether you have a regular profession or not. And these demonic entities, they need to stay afloat, because if you don't feed the demons, right? If you don't feed the demons, then they're going to eventually devour your soul. And that's what's going on. And like I said in a few videos back, that's why so many people have to spill large amounts of blood, because they have to please Satan. They have to keep Satan satisfied. If not, you're going to see a lot of more deaths. You're already seeing deaths, but I'm talking about deaths from people who are in the industry that have made blood oaths and blood sacrifices and shit. And, some people may get offended. That's cool, because, maybe this message striking you where your soul used to be. But then some people be like, damn, I get what he's saying. So you see what I'm saying? But most people, they're not going to say that in front of their peers, because they want to keep their peers happy. Oh, the shit he's saying, that shit fool as hell. As soon as your homie leave, man, that shit real, G. You know what I'm saying? Just fake shit. But you got niggas that be on that fool shit like that. But these demons, right? It's been like another YouTuber just passed away. I forgot his name at the moment. He was like 25, same age as me. Some dude from reality TV show got charged with murder or some shit like that. And, that was a sacrifice. A lot of people don't want to hear that shit. That was a sacrifice. And, yeah, man, you have to keep spilling large amounts of blood of Satan. And that's the thing. At this point in time, it's not even to move up the ladder. It's just to stay afloat, to keep them demons off of your back. Like the shit that Lil Boosie did with his son. Now, on some real shit, I'm going to keep it 100 with you. Most people, that was not raised right. I wasn't raised right to a certain extent. And me personally, I still don't think that type of behavior is okay. You see what I'm saying? Because people, I know a lot of people that, oh, I lost my virginity when I was 14. I lost my virginity when I was 12. They happy about that, but the whole time they don't even know they got molested. AKA rape. Pedophilia runs with women and men at the same time. You see what I'm saying? Pedophilia runs with men and women at the same time. It's not just men that are pedophiles, or some men. I'm not gonna say it's not all men. It's not just some men that are pedophiles, and it's not just some women that are pedophiles. It happens on both spectrums. And the shit that Lil Boosie did with his son, that was a ritual. That was a humiliation ritual, aka you could say a sex ritual if you want to, because he has to pay karma back. Shout out to Yash Kara. This message is inspired by him. He has to, which is 100% true. He has to make up for what he said. You know, he said he didn't want to apologize to Jay-Z. He didn't want to apologize to Dwayne Wade for making those comments about Dwayne Wade's son. You see what I'm saying? So he has to pay for that some type of way. So they made him slut out his own 12-year-old son to a grown woman, which is pedophilia. You know what I'm saying? People don't want to hear that because they weren't raised right. That same shit. Same people that's condoning that shit is the same people that happened to them when they were younger. That doesn't necessarily mean they're a bad person or not. Their mind is mentally messed up. You know what I'm saying? I ain't saying like I'm 100% mentally correct either, but just look at it, what's going on. Like, you have to do certain shit to keep them demons off your back. Because if Lil Boosie ain't do that, or if he didn't say it in that live stream, like, yeah, I just got my 12-year-old son some pussy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. If he ain't say that, then they probably looking like, okay, he ain't do it then. So then Lil Boosie would have started getting attacked. Probably would have lost a lot of money. They probably would have got shot at, some weird type shit. But that's what's going on, that these people, and it's regular people too, not just people in the industry. And like I said, I always have to say, because everybody in the industry is not demonic. You just have some demonic entity that make everybody look bad. Period. You see what I'm saying? Just like you got everybody, like, for example, you got people that's in the NBA. They probably didn't made a pact with that shit, but they make the other NBA players look bad because not everybody with that weird sick shit. It's more God-fearing people, using that term. It's more God-fearing people in this world than it is Satan worshipers. Remember that. It's more people that worship nature, right? Just use nature is God, so to speak. If you can break that shit down to a higher level. And everybody not with that shit. It's more people that's God-fearing people than it is people that's into that satanic shit. So that one bad apple is spoiling it for everybody. But these people who have made pacts with the devil, they have to fulfill those pacts, and they have to keep feeding the devil souls and souls and souls and souls. If they don't, then they soul end up getting devoured. Meaning they end up getting blood sacrificed. Real shit. You don't believe me? Go watch this movie. And every time I shout somebody out, or every time I say, go watch a movie, you know what I'm saying? I have good taste. So I'm telling you, when I say go watch this, or shout out to this person, or shout out to whoever, I'm not just saying that shit. I get numbers and I get clout without even shouting niggas out. You can clearly see that. Go check my fucking resume. You see what I'm saying? But I can go viral anytime I want to too, but that's not what I'm trying to do at this point. But on some real shit though, when I shout somebody out, if I shout out a movie, go really watch that movie so you can put the pieces together of what I'm saying, so you could clearly see what I'm saying. So for this Hollywood shit I'm talking about, not even Hollywood shit, for this feeding these entities, like feeding those demons more souls, because that's what's going on the planet right now. That's why it's keep being these police shootings. It keep being all these different killings and all this shit. Why? It's been going on, of course. Have to keep spilling blood for that cult. Now, check out a movie called Spellbinder. Spell Spell space Binder. Spellbinder. It came out in 1988. It's about this sacrificial shit. It's about feeding the demons more souls. Watch that movie, Spellbinder. Then check out this other movie called The Deadpool. Not Deadpool from Marvel. Not him. The Deadpool. The Deadpool. It's about Hollywood whackers. When people in Hollywood, they might be stars. They don't want to listen to what the people saying no more. They want to do their own shit. For example, they like a Tupac. They got that just rebellious spirit. They don't give a fuck. We don't do whatever the fuck we want to. In that movie, Hollywood Whackers, they were showing you that when people act like that and they don't give a fuck and they don't want to listen to the higher ups, they get whacked and get replaced. Watch that movie. It's called The Deadpool with Clint Eastwood. Watch that movie. It's deep. Wake the damn up. More videos coming soon.